Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here, at the workbench at the end of a day, just puttering. I like to take my handmade wooden planes out for a spin from time to time. I always find it amazing how lovely they work. Have you ever made a wooden plane? This is the East meets West. Using the Hawk Krenov style blade set. So thick blade and chip breaker. The other two planes have just a simple, you can't even read it because it's on the other side. It's a Stanley block plane blade. Thin blade. This has a wide open mouth. This is what I call my jack. I can take thick shavings with that one, and this is my smoother. Has a tighter closed mouth. So I'm just running out of hours every day. I'd love to make more planes, but I would like to encourage you to try. You don't need a lot. You can use scraps. You don't have to take a big old chunk of wood and resaw it. You can actually take a piece of wood just just 2 inches, regular 2-inch stock, and plane it to just a little bit over your blade. So my blade is 1.5 inches. So my opening is 1 3/4. I gave it a 1/16 on either side for lateral adjustment. You can make it tighter as long as you keep your sharpening perfectly square to the sole. So you can use oddball pieces for the sides, a different piece for the center, and then you have a different piece for the wedge and the pin. You can do a wooden pin, you can do a metal pin, you can get creative. And you can try different bed angles. This one and this one are set at 45. These are all set at 45. But you can go 50, 55, 60. Anything you want. And once you get good at making them, you can, I thought I heard something. Must be in my head. When you get good at making them, then you can get creative with, like this one has quarter sawn oak on the sides. This one has curly maple on the sides and just flat grain maple in the middle. This one, it is curly, but you can't tell because, well, this is quarter sawn and a little bit curly. This side is a little more plain. You can get real fancy. So that's about it for this one. I just wanted to wind the day down nice and easy, and that's it for me. I'm spent. Hope you're having a great day. Hope the weather's been good for you. And thanks for stopping by. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.